Hey, it's Dr. Brooke Goldner. I am in Houston International Airport on my way to the Vitality Now conference in Mesa, Arizona. Hope I'm going to see some of you guys there. Hello, Arizona.
This next presenter, she is a best-selling author and the founder of veganmedicaldoctor.com. She has the most interesting story. I don't want to spoil it. But in her younger days, not that she's old, she was battling lupus as well as kidney failure. But by changing her lifestyle to a plant-based lifestyle, she managed to put those chronic conditions in remission. But I don't want to share her story, I'll let her share it. But you guys gotta show her some love, so clap your hands for the one, the only vegan medical doctor, aka Dr. Brooke Goldner.
So from 16 to 18 years old, I did chemotherapy every month, in addition to taking all my AP tests and graduating in the top 10 of my high school class and getting scholarship to Carnegie Mellon. There is a revolution that's happening right now in healthcare. There's a revolution, and it's coming from the ground up. I feel like Bernie Sanders sometimes. You know, we got to come together. It's got to be a ground up movement. I'm from New York. I just suppress it so I can sound smarter. So you guys like that too much. But it is. If you have questions, ask me them. I want to be able to answer your questions. And also, I love hugs. So if you want to just come over and give me a hug, then I like that too, because it just fills me up. And because I'm always online, I rarely get to actually see people in person. Thank you guys all for your time. Hello, Los Angeles. I'm the luckiest person on the planet. How many people get to do what I do? How many people live a lifetime and never follow their dreams? But I just want to thank all you guys for being here. You've been an awesome audience, and I just love all of you, and I wish you amazing health. Thank you guys so much.